Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting gear right. Equip an amp built for damage type you prefer, fit polarity to reduce mod cost, and unlock a focus school. Once done, place the amp in your orbiter and confirm transference is enabled in your loadout. This lets you instantly control the operator. Make sure your Warframe has enough energy to survive initial engagement, then initiate transference. You will notice a brief animation, which means the transfer succeeded, and you can control the operator directly. You now focus on how to fight. Use void mode to dash through cover and reposition. It's your core mobility tool, so move constantly. Charge the amp before firing, short taps for quick bursts, long holds for heavy bolts that pierce armor. Once you understand timing, chain void dashes between shots to avoid enemy fire. Make sure to monitor transference cooldown and your operator energy, because when low you'll be forced back into your Warframe. Planning movement prevents that interruption. You finish the engagement by smoothly returning to your Warframe when enemies cluster or your operator energy drops. This prevents sudden death mid-fight. Use focus abilities to boost amp damage or gain a defensive buffer, and remember why timing matters. Switching back too late risks revive or extraction issues. If transference or amp shots behave oddly, first cycle transference off and on, then relog if needed. That usually clears slot or sync errors without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.